You and I are hosting a new product orientation, and we are running out of space for the people who are required. So we need to find out who is enrolled but not required. So then we can talk with them and maybe set up a separate session or accommodate them somehow. But we need to find out who they are. That's going to call for a right anti-join. Here we go. With our cursor in the data set, we're going up here to from table/range. That is our required query. We're going to close and load this as a connection only. Only create connection. Okay. Next, our enrolled query. Cursor in the data set from table/range. There is our enrolled data. I'm going to close and load that as a connection only. Okay. Now, let's do our right anti-join. In the Data tab, Get Data, Combine Queries, Merge. Let's go ahead and select right anti-join. We're going to put required up top. That's our left side. Enrolled is the bottom, our right side. Match up the names. Then, OK. Hopefully this didn't surprise you. The left side is expanded and the right side is collapsed. Why do we have nulls here on our left side? Well, that's because we want people on the right side who don't have data on the left side. So that's why that is bare. So go ahead, expand this. We'll see our data. We don't want to use the original column name as prefix. Okay. There are the 4 people who are enrolled but not required. And here's one other thing we can do. I'm going to get rid of this expand. I can highlight this, right click it, remove other columns to get rid of those bare 2, and then expand. Here are our 4 people extracted using a right anti-join.